Hi, it's Ian for the HUAWEI Nova 11i and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one. And now we just successfully created the new home screen folder. By the same way, you could add here more applications, just hold and drag it. But if you wanna add a couple of apps in one click, just open the folder, click to this plus add icon and select all of the applications which you wanna add to your folder. Then just tap to OK and that's it. As you can see, that's so simple. To rename the folder, you could click once on the name and enter the new one. For example, the apps, tap to OK button, and also you could hold for a while and tap here to rename, and by the same way just renamed it. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. Also, you could change the folder size, just hold it, tap to enlarge it. Also, if you want to make it smaller, by the same way, hold and tap to shrink. Let's try once again. We could also make it bigger or smaller by this way. So, and to remove the application from the folder, oh no, so let's just make it smaller. You could just hold the app and drag it to the home screen if you wanna stay with this application on the home only with one. Also, you could click to this plus icon and unselect a couple of apps, just tap by tapping to OK, and here we could also unselect all of the applications. You'll find them here after that on your home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.